Well, the term ghostwriter creates secrecies and shadows, casting a profession built on skill and trust into a dubious light, creating doubt rather. This perception creates a stark contrast between indispensable role writers play and the judgment they face for supporting personal content. Now, why do we accept ghostwriters for executives yet frown upon them for social media profiles? Who are ghostwriters? Ghostwriters are professional writers who craft content, books, articles, speeches, or social media posts on behalf of others, allowing clients to express ideas and authentically while remaining behind the scenes, sometimes uncredited. I'm Shivli Das, and it's time to step out of the shadows and rethink the name and the narrative around this vital craft of creating content. Now, the problem with ghost, the name that haunts perception, it creates mistrust through semantics because words matter, and ghost creates secrecy. Now, would you trust a ghost therapist or ghost recruiter rather? The same stigma sticks to ghostwriters, suggesting deception instead of collaboration and expertise. Now, inconsistent standards. Hiring writers for speeches, press releases, or even resume is celebrated. Now, why then does hiring a writer for personal branding or social media content draw criticism? The disconnect lies not in act, but in how it's framed, thanks to the term ghost. Misaligned branding for a creative craft. Ghostwriters are not covert operations, and they're collaborators, architects of ideas, and curators of expression. They bring clarity, structure, and polish to raw thoughts, transforming them into impactful messages. Now, this term fails to capture the value. A new identity and credibility over secrecy. Ghostwriters enhance clients' productivity by crafting high quality, engaging content that reflects their voice and ideas. They save time, simplify complex concepts, and blend authority through thought leadership, enabling clients to focus on their core responsibilities and goal. What can we name them as and give them their due at the same time? Writing architect. Basically, it highlights a systematic approach to shaping ideas into structured, compelling narrative. Or writing curator. It reflects the skill of selecting and refining the best ideas to connect with an audience. Writing therapist. It emphasizes the human element, understanding, uncovering and amplifying a client's authentic voice. Now, it's all about redefining the perception. Changing the name isn't just about semantics, it's about empowering writers and their clients to embrace transparency and value. Let's empower a rebrand that celebrates this creative partnership instead of shrouding it in mystery. What new term do you think reflects the true essence of this profession? Let's redefine the narrative together.